Coronavirus will change the world permanently. It's already impacting on global economy and financial markets. You know one thing, the world is moving towards a biggest recession in the last 100 years. We never thought this kind of situation will arrive in our lives. More than 51.5% CEO of top 100 companies have already confirmed that it's inevitable to have job cuts in the next 2 quarters. So guys, think forward. Corporation also does not know how to save the people. So many industries are affected like jobs, retail, cinema industry, local transport, real estate, gold, and automobile industries, next film industries, real estate. So these are so many industries are affected due to corona. So guys, just think forward. And winning industries are networking, online coaching and data, online coaching and teaching, and next thing is insurance. Next one, Facebook, data and spiritual sciences, home gardening. These are all winning industries now. So guys, financial planning is at most important in our life. So through a proper financial planning, we can achieve our life goals by avoiding shocks and surprises. Is it yes or no? So financial planning is most important. So here I am telling you some easy steps to build a plan. So first you need to know what is your net worth value. What do you mean by net worth? Net worth means you have to deduct your expenses from assets. You should control your expenses, then only you can achieve your financial goals. So second one is, what are my goals? You need to fix one goal here, that may be short term, long term or medium term also. Okay, long term, I mean goals maybe 3 times: short term goals, medium term goals, long term maybe retirement plans, etc. So buying a car is a short term goal. Okay, these are types of goals, so you should fix your goal. So second one is, what are my goals? First one is, you need to know what is my net worth value. Second one is, what are my goals? Third one is most important here, how much money do I need and when? It's important to know how much money do I need and when. Fourth one is, how much risk can you take? This is at most important because risk factor is the most important before investing. Okay, suppose equity market is there, high risk, high returns. Okay, so first before investing you should know how much risk can I take. Fifth one is, where should I invest? This is most important. Without proper knowledge, don't invest in share market. Okay, yeah, you know one thing, one annuity plan is there, that is lifetime pension with cashback. This is awesome plan here. Okay, if you have any doubts, I'll suggest you, please give me a comment. Okay, and another plan is there, that is it will give 220% growth. Okay, some plans are there, awesome plans. So guys, these are the easy steps to build a plan for achieving your life goals by avoiding shocks and surprises. Okay, so guys, all the best, and there are so many opportunities out there to earn more income. If you have any doubts, please give me a comment. Definitely I'll give clarification. So just do like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.